Alright guys, welcome back. It's Eddie with DIY Basics. I just wanted to make a quick video. I was picking up some materials and I figured let me take the opportunity to show you guys how to properly strap your cargo. So basically I take my strap, I bring it underneath the material, and then what a lot of people will do is they'll just wrap it around the material this way. They'll bring it underneath and then they'll try to strap it that way, and then they wonder why it doesn't really hold well and it wants to move. And the key is that you have to create like a cinch type situation. So you bring it underneath, you bring it back over the piece, but then you loop it so that it actually goes underneath the material and back up and around. So what it does is, see how I brought it across, but then I brought it underneath. Now when you pick it up and you crank this way, that's where the bind comes in. It cinches and it really grabs the material well. So then after that, it's just a matter of taking up your slack, hooking to the other end. As you remember in my other video, the idea is to make sure you take up all your slack so that you're starting with a good amount of room, and then you just start cranking it. As you see there, give it a good crank. As you can see here, it just starts to really bite very well and it doesn't want to go anywhere. You see me pulling on the material, it doesn't want to go anywhere. So you give it a good crank, you lock it down. Then what I do is I just take this excess strap, I ball it up nicely, and then I'll just pinch it underneath the strap so it doesn't go anywhere. All right, there you have it guys, nice and secure. You don't have to worry about anything falling out. The key is, like I said, to wrap around and come up underneath and go back in the other direction, and that gives you what you're looking for. All right guys, hope this helped. See you on the next one.